Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. After that, you need to scroll down just a bit and click at the gesture control. And let's work with it. So, by default for the double press we have plain post. The song, I want to change the left one, just tap on it. And I want to call voice assistant. It's the same with the right one, you can select something else, it's up to you. Then let's move to that. And we have also double press when somebody calls to you, but right here we have only one option, is to answer and finish the call, or you can disable it if you don't need it. Then triple press we have by default to play next track, but we can also set to play previous track, and I want to set it for the left earbud. Just tap at this line and click previous song. But it's up to you, if you don't need it, you can leave it. Then we have press and hold, and for the press and hold we haven't more option. So why in the call you only have reject call or disable it, and for the press and hold when not in the call we have ANC or identify song, but it works for HUAWEI devices. I have iPhone right here, so I cannot set it. I mean, I can, but it's not the best one. Now, when you select ANC right here, by default you swap between ANC, transparency and normal mode. And if you don't need one of them, you can just disable it by tap on it. But you need to set to these options here. So if you don't need transparency, you can just disable transparency. And it's the same with the right one, the same situation, so it's up to you. Then we have swipe, and for the swipe we have only volume control, and I recommend it to leave it because we cannot set volume control for another gestures, only for the swipe. But you can disable it if you don't need it, it's up to you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!